met sy vriende.
We want to be bigger and better than any crocheted egg in the whole wide world. And we need to be proved wrong because I think we are the biggest Easter egg ever. So, our ladies make blankets. It's our 10th year, and we try to keep them motivated and interested.
Die ware Paasfeesboodskap is egter die inspirasie agter die Paaseinde.
We've got 40 children coming from Camp Quality, which is run by Rotary. These are needy children with life-threatening diseases, and they're coming for the Easter weekend. And they're going to come and experience this fabulous garden. And just imagine what it does to the child's mind to uplift it and see such beautiful things.
Altesaam 40 pare hande het in minder as 3 maande gewoeker om die kombers aan mekaar te slaan.
Everything here is done with love. And everything here is going to be given, the tree is going to be made into blankets for people not as fortunate as us. And all these bits and pieces will be given to children to try and make their lives a little bit better.
Yeah, and to schools as well. For instance, is going to
The
school.
school, ja.